How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny forearms, step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So first exercise we're going to do is this. This is forearm twist. It's by far the best exercise you can do. Keep in mind, this is going to be for beginners, so it's not going to be super insane. It is still going to be a very, very hard workout, but it's not going to be as hard as I would give for other people. This is strictly for beginners, so we're not going to go so insane, but it's still going to be a very tough workout. That's 50. Keep going. $75. Keep going. Okay, so that's 100 reps, no break. We're gonna go straight into this. This is great. This is a forearm curl. It's really good. 10. Keep going. $50. We're then going to do squeezes. Get your hands squeezed really, really tight and hold. Keep going. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze hard as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. 5 more seconds. Hold, hold, hold. Squeeze as hard as you can. Okay, that's perfect. Now, that's just the first set, though, you guys. That is not the workout. That is just the first set. I want you guys to take a 1-minute break. I want you to redo it. I want you to do a total of 5 sets. This is going to be very difficult to do. Your arms are going to be very sore at the end, but you should still be able to get all 5 sets. Your forearms will be sore. Do this workout every day. So do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Every single day you can do it. If you want, you can rewind the video and watch every set with me, because then I count all the reps out for you, and then you can just follow along. You don't have to count anything. So you can rewind the video and watch each set if you want to. I want you guys to comment in the comments section. Let me know what you think. Was the workout too easy? Was it for a beginner, or was it way too hard? Comment in the comment section. Let me know how it was, and let me know how many sets did you get. Did you get all 5 sets, or you only got 2 sets? End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.